Crazy Acres Garage. I wanted to show you all my project car. It's a 1969 Nova. I bought it as a rolling shell back in November of 2019, and as you can see, it's come a long way since then. All the work's been done by me with the exception of the body and paint. I had help on that from my dad, and I put together a slideshow of the progress from the rolling shell to where it is today. So check it out. Make sure and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions or comments for me, leave me a comment down below. In the future, I'll be making more videos detailing the progress on the car as I work toward completing it. So if you're interested, stay tuned.